Welcome back to MVP Auto Pro, your trusted source for premium scooter and motorcycle insights, reviews, and road tests. Today, we're diving into one of the most iconic and luxurious maxi scooters in the world, the 2025 Yamaha TMAX 560. A machine that blurs the line between scooter and sport bike, the TMAX 560 has evolved into something truly special. In this video, we'll explore what makes the 2025 version of this legendary scooter even more refined, powerful, and desirable. A maxi scooter icon reimagined. Since its debut in 2001, the Yamaha TMAX has revolutionized what a scooter can be. Combining the ease of automatic twist-and-go riding with the performance and handling of a mid-sized motorcycle, the TMAX carved out a new niche, the premium maxi scooter category. With each generation, Yamaha has elevated its styling, technology, and riding dynamics. Now in 2025, the TMAX 560 continues to push boundaries, blending high-end comfort, sporty agility, and sleek European design into a single package that appeals to both commuters and enthusiasts alike. Design: aggressive, refined, and premium. One look at the 2025 TMAX 560, and you know it's something special. Yamaha has sharpened the aesthetics with more angular bodywork, slimmer LED headlights, and a reworked tail section that gives it a sportier, more compact feel. The muscular lines and aerodynamic contours aren't just for show, they reduce drag and enhance high-speed stability. New for 2025 are updated color schemes like Dark Storm Gray, Pure White, and a limited Midnight Gold edition. Fit and finish are top-tier, with precision panel gaps, premium paint, and a clear focus on quality materials. The TMAX looks like a scooter that wouldn't be out of place parked next to a luxury touring bike or a sport GT. Engine and performance: smooth power with sporty soul. The heart of the 2025 TMAX 560 is a 562 cubic centimeters liquid-cooled, parallel twin engine, tuned for 47 horsepower and 55 Nm of torque. While that may not sound like sport bike territory, the power delivery is what makes this scooter so addictive. It's smooth, torquey, and quick off the line, with more than enough performance for urban sprints and high-speed highway rides. The continuously variable transmission, CVT, is tuned for responsive acceleration, making overtakes effortless and city riding a breeze. Thanks to Yamaha's refined belt drive system, the ride feels incredibly refined, with minimal vibration and strong mid-range punch. Whether you're cruising or carving through twisties, the TMAX never feels underpowered. Chassis and handling: precision in a scooter body. What truly sets the TMAX 560 apart from other maxi scooters is how it handles like a motorcycle. Built on a die-cast aluminum frame, the chassis is rigid yet lightweight, providing excellent feedback and stability at all speeds. Yamaha has worked hard to maintain perfect weight distribution, giving the rider full confidence whether in traffic or tackling tight curves. The 2025 model comes with upgraded KYB 41mm front forks and a link-type rear monoshock, both of which are tuned for sporty road manners without sacrificing comfort. The 15-inch wheels offer a stable ride, while the wide tires ensure confident grip even when leaned over. This is a scooter that doesn't just ride smoothly, it carves corners and stops on a dime, thanks to radial mount front disc brakes with ABS. Technology: cutting edge meets rider focused. As expected from Yamaha's premium offering, the 2025 TMAX 560 is loaded with smart features. The centerpiece is a crisp 7-inch full-color TFT screen with integrated navigation, smartphone connectivity, and music control via Yamaha's MyRide app. Riders can receive call alerts, messages, and turn-by-turn directions, all controllable via handlebar toggles. There's also smart keyless ignition, cruise control, a ride-by-wire throttle, and multiple riding modes that adjust throttle sensitivity and traction control. Yamaha has even added a theft deterrent system with GPS tracking in select markets, adding peace of mind for urban riders. Everything about the TMAX 560's tech package feels well integrated and intuitive, not overwhelming or gimmicky. Comfort and practicality. Luxury scooter living. One of the strongest selling points of the TMAX 560 has always been its rider and passenger comfort, and 2025 takes this even further. The ergonomics are spacious, the seat is plush and supportive for long rides, and the windscreen is electronically adjustable, adapting to different conditions with the press of a button. Under the seat, there's a generous storage compartment that fits a full-face helmet and other essentials. There's also a glove box with a USB-C charging port. Heated grips and a heated seat come standard on the TMAX variant, making the TMAX a true year-round commuter. It's a machine built not just for short trips, but for serious touring comfort, a rare quality in the scooter world. Fuel efficiency and everyday use. Despite its sporty performance and premium features, the 2025 Yamaha TMAX 560 remains remarkably fuel efficient. Riders can expect around 22 to 24 km/L, approximately 52 to 56 miles per gallon, depending on riding style. With a 15-liter fuel tank, the range extends well past 300 kilometers, perfect for daily use or weekend getaways. Combined with its low maintenance costs and reliable Yamaha engineering, the TMAX 560 is more than just a luxury scooter. It's a practical daily machine for those who want performance without compromise. Final verdict: the scooter that thinks it's a motorcycle. The 2025 Yamaha TMAX 560 isn't just a scooter, it's a statement. It proves that scooters don't have to be boring or limited. With motorcycle-like performance, luxury-grade comfort, and cutting-edge technology, the TMAX is in a class of its own. Whether you're a city commuter, a weekend tourer, or someone who simply wants the best blend of style, convenience, and excitement, the TMAX 560 delivers across the board. It's not the cheapest option out there, but if you value premium quality and versatility, few two-wheelers come close. Outro: subscribe to MVP Auto Pro. Thanks for riding along with us today on MVP Auto Pro. If you found this breakdown of the 2025 Yamaha TMAX 560 helpful or interesting, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell. We've got more scooter and motorcycle reviews, comparisons, and real-world tests coming your way. Until next time, ride smart, ride strong, and stay tuned for more from MVP Auto Pro.